This MC has returned to backdraft, torch niggas and burn. My sound moves like kilos underground. Cock me back like a sledgehammer, I'm a pound. Niggas into the ground like fakeness. This shit is fakeness. So I'ma break this monotony and show them how it's supposed to be done. And keep lame niggas on the run. It's B-I-G-S-H-U-G. Try to remove me. Find yourself with loose teeth. And you can't stop the unstoppable. Niggas is droppable when I'm coming through with my lyrical. I'm the roughneck swinging. Drama that I'm bringing. On your left jaw, I'll be tinging. Because left hooks turns mouths to mush. And when you're in my grip, your whole game will be crushed. Crush the amateurs who scream, they keep it real. So very hardcore that you hit the hard floor. I slam a MC like cowboy do cattle. And rattle any snake motherfucker who wish to battle. There's no way you can win. I'm wiping off silly grins when I come to kick your face in. And I'ma break you down to your atom. And if you test that, then I'ma grab one and bat 'em down to the ground with this sound. Stash your body parts, and they're nowhere to be found. I'ma keep my mental on danger. Anger proves to you that I'm no stranger. And I'ma keep it real as I can. Coming from murder pan, who I am. I'm greater than, that means you're less than. Are you a man? I don't think so, with gun in your hand. And I live behind the wall. And when I was released, Big Shug is still standing tall. Trust the amateurs who scream, they keep it real. So very hardcore that you hit the hard floor. Trust the amateurs who scream, they keep it real. So very hardcore that you hit the hard floor. Coming through with the cinder block flows, keeping it dick hard, while pussies wish to tiptoe through the valleys of death, troubles of hell. No matter how they gas me, head would never swell. I'm sending you up the river in a holy boat and ripping the sleeves off your lambskin coat. You wanna be tough? Well, come test Shug, and you'll find out that my shit's all good. I represent to the fullest, that's all I know. And I got to come through swinging elbows. And I hold the post, hold down the middle. Niggas get knocked the fuck out when they want the fiddle. You got to be serious, nothing is too mysterious. Niggas is coming with the truth. And my punchlines punch niggas offline. When I come through, we represent every time. Trust the amateurs who scream, they keep it real. So very hardcore that you hit the hard floor. Trust the amateurs who scream, they keep it real. So very hardcore that you hit the hard floor. Trust the amateurs who scream, they keep it real. So very hardcore that you hit the hard floor. Trust the amateurs who scream, they keep it real. So very hardcore that you hit the hard floor.
No. And yo, we got rhymes, so don't fret, cause yo, get with it and shake, but don't mistake these inspiring words. You'll sway to our display. And yo, all you nerds that can't dance advanced romance, don't worry, cause in a flurry, you all will hurry to unlearn, discern some type of body movement, body hardy, and get total improvement. So you can deal with all the business at hand and blend with the music like you know you can. Cause it's time to go all out smooth, so you can prove it's nothing but a small thing. So bust a move, boy. Task it, I make it into casket, cause you have this and assets to put you in a basket. Sport you like acid, ship you on a boat. The mic I might pass it, but boy you get my goal. It's time for you to party till these death responsible. But the truth however is that rhyming, I'm a with. You must be bugging
that maybe drop the boy and break the fit. If this battle don't concern you, then I won't burn you. Like butter, I will turn you to the next big rhymes I turn to.
Chumps try to cling to me, honeys wanna sing to me. People getting next to me, they try to lecture me. They like to crawl up and stick, they're like leeches. I'm making speeches, my soul it reaches for new heights. I write and cite from my mind, leave behind all the negative shit, and then I find the positive, cause I live to give to the nation. I gotta feed it cause you need it. MCs retreated, all the honeys leading for me, and they must keep to run deaf lines, and each and every person just attempted to climb all over us, subjecting us to phoniness. But dumbing loneliness is when we write the best stanzas of these rhyme bonanzas. We're educated, motivated, ones who prove anointed, appointed. So bust the move, boy. Bust the move, boy.
Play us on your radio, put us on your TV show. Man, the Gangstarr, yo, you know we can throw hard. I should I say down, cold crush, the brothers coming out of B-Town. And if you ever think of this, and you'll be looking like a clown. When the people look you up and say you need a better sound. If you want to get over on our block, keep the ego on skis on his job. I look at him, he looks at me, hey yo, I just rock. You, and you. Don't ever call us the crew, because we do not do the things that they do. Hey yo, this goes for you, her and him. You can just call me Zan with Ski, my friend, and all your others. You're going under like submarine. That's what I mean, cause this is my routine. Huh.
So bust the move, boy. We're revealing all our feelings. Call it aggression. Is this expression or is it my obsession that makes me want to make it dance in my own way? And hey, I feel today it's time to convey a sense of purpose, a good feeling inside. Therefore I glide and stride and rock with pride. The consequence is eloquence that I display for confidence. And in the groove you'll say that I'm groovy. We're the ones busting moves to make a movie. Call me a smoothie, don't need a Uzi, don't need a floozy. And hey yo, the way we choose the rhyme, just say we're choosy. The main objective is to have you dancing longer. By saying rhymes are just kicking it stronger.
My man, keep the E excite your body and mind. Situation ignite tonight will be divine. Through my high caliber rap expertise, you get a 7 apiece, and we will never decrease or cease, because we're getting much hyper. We will delight ya, we will incite ya to ill out, chill out, laugh and relax. Take a sip of wine while I tax, because I'm one of a kind. I'm on time and I go for mine. So bust the move, boy. Bust the move, boy.
Yeah, that's right. I like that. I like them, boy. Yeah. On the mix, you got the 91. Other notice want to be down with the sound. Me and the gang, get it, king. Got the beatbox overlord on the mic. Peace.
Yeah, from New York to Japan, my plan was slam. Holding my own up in this piece. DJ Premier, and of course DJ Honda. Jazzy J at the helm. Check it out. What's going on right here? International type vibe. Check the move, kid. I came to get the dough, what you expected? I came to mac the hoes, what you expected? I came to strictly flow, what you expected? Look out, I'm about to blow. Hit the exit. Next in command is the 5'8", a 3/4 warrior. Take a stroll down my corridor. I can effortlessly, instantly burn MCs into effigy. It's treachery, cause my skills have developed. I envelop situations that I'm facing. Who's lacing and I'm chasing those that suppose that the gang wasn't so fat. Yeah, right, punk, you know that. Forget the media labels, cause most of the ducks are fucked up and unstable. Scared of the black stuff, but I like to act up and get real ill, cause I'm too hot to chill. Stupid. I came to get the dough, what you expected? I came to knock your hoes, what you expected? I came to strictly flow, what you expected? Look out, I'm about to blow, hit the exit. Pussy, step back, fake jack. I don't get down like that. I kick facts, then I sit, then I max. With a sound like that, get 1,000 whacks to have the inkling. Try to hang and bang. Now your head swings, cause my intellect is universal. For me, it's do or die with no rehearsal. One verse will take you out of the weak format, and bitch MCs can take a powder. Still you scour, skin your grill up, but you'll be a casualty that got filled up. with my ammo. Cause I slammed your ass to the concrete. You got defeated, punk. What you expect? Came to collect my loot, what you expected? I like the girl that's cute, what you expected? Giving MCs the boot, what you expected? I do my duty, what you expected? 5 albums deep into this rap game. I slap lanes, cause straight is my aim. As I stake my claim as the bald-head pimpster, here to administer sinister attacks upon those who lack the ability to finesse the beat and vocal techniques. I slam like Dominique, and you know my rhymes are punishing like torture to your structure. Brain cells rupture. What you expect? I came to get the dough. What you expected? I came to knock the hoes. What you expected? I came to strictly flow. What you expected? Look out, I'm about to blow. Hit the exit. Zulu Nation in the house. My man DJ Honda full of Phil, know that. I got my man Jazzy J at the helm. I'm known as Gifted Unlimited Rhymes Universal. And of course, DJ's Premier on the rhythm scratch. What you expected? Yo, this is going out to those who should be listening. Believe that. Believe that. Believe that. Feeling the pressure of what I'm giving to you. I'm a professor, call me the greater guru. Brand new, it's true. You're through, we achieve. Believe I'll leave you naked, like Adam and Eve.
I like a preacher, God speak the truth on the pulpit.
I can make you break, you faker. You have to forfeit.
Get off it, you missed it, cuz, hey yo.
Fast and slow, I'm good to go. I rock the show, and don't you know I can groove and I will prove my voice is smooth. The rhymes ooze
on out like red hot lava.
Death like the fade that you got from the Bible. So go on it, on, and it beat up be perpetual.
My gang is Dylan,
and we can bet you will see that realistically, when I'm on the mic, I'm the way to be.
I pay my dues and I choose to rock wherever we're at.
Yo, you know we can't lose,
so believe that.
Believe that. Believe that. Brings the MCs to submission who don't maintain, because sometimes the rhymes, man, can get so intricate. I get certificates to prove I am terrific at
rocking the party, keeping it live.
And like a diamond, I'm forever on with MCs I thrive.
I'm a greater educator, rap crusader.
I'll invade you till I've made you. Beg me to save you when the other MCs try to move you too close. We're gonna change, rearrange, disappear like a ghost. Then materialize right before his eyes, and
he'll be sleeping, we be beating.
Cause I'm a wise man, tantalizing, hypnotizing. You know it's like that.
Gangstar's kick it off,
so believe that. Believe that.
do or die.
Boss town with the sound, keep the eat,
Demoski,
and DJ wanna be down.
old school and new, a combination of each. You know the rhymes designed to climb because we reach for the apex, the zenith.
We keep striving,
We're kicking live and soon we'll be arriving
in your metropolis.
to do a lot of this work, and
You go berserk, man.
we got the
Death plan,
and there's no turning back,
word is born.
so believe that.
Believe that.
Left to right,
Right to left,
rocking you cause we're deaf. Try to diss and opposites to cook you up like a chef.
that's word. And if you haven't, you heard.
Then you'll be just another sucker getting kicked to the curb.
Gangstarr, we're generating the peace.
We write and get hyped so that the pay will increase. Me and the gang have a deaf type of partnership. We won't drop or stop cause we hop the hip, admit it. Can't you see the facts?
We got the rhythm and knack.
So believe that. Believe that. Believe that. Believe that. I was driven from my home by the ultimate desire to crush the wolves. Inside me there's a fire, that's right. Like an army from across the sea, I have the power and the force, gaining victory. Or I can wage a fierce battle when I feel there's a cause. Take a stand, suckers crumble, send them home in their drawers. But for the most part, I'm always praying for peace. The lamentations of the poor and all the wars must cease. Yo, first it was a rumor that one day from afar will come a man with the plan and a gang and a star. But lo and behold, let the message unfold. Yo, I'm kicking right in, taking total control to be a champion.
What are we?
To be a champion. So determined to conquer sacrifices I've made. My vision so clear and my light will not fade. The most valiant brother with philosophy deep. Got numerous followers, so be sure you don't sleep. Just listen intently as my voice does throng. You foolish fake rappers, I must give you the gong. And with the mic as my armor, my speech is my sword. I make my way to the tower to reap my reward. Through all the whack rappers and all the confusion, the gang emerging. For we are no illusion, we're just stern concerned. So let the message be heard. And yo, you might be just shocked by what has occurred. Cause we're champions. I'm a realist, idealist, whichever you prefer. Taking you as prisoners, so just come serve. The gang, we're always taking a stand, creeping into power, dominating the land. So beware, the jealous ones will be publicly flawed. Be careful what you say and don't you get too broad. Stay sober, so you can find what you seek. Rap pathology at work, a unique mystique. I build a palace where I can chill when I'm older. The gang is getting stronger, tougher and bolder, and we're champions.
Yeah, money, that's how you do it. Slamming on the mix. We got the 45 King and my name is One to Be Down. Rocking it on with the Damo D. My man Keith the E with a gang. Look out for Little Smitty, MC Divine, the Ready Rockers. We're coming to you straight. Straight.
check it out, yo. I hate the murderers, I hate the fake teachers, I hate the non-believers, I hate the fake preachers. Word is wrong, everything that I hate in a song. I hate corporate Nazis, I hate when cabs come late, or you jump from 05 and get stuck in the gate. People hesitate to put you on, cause your style is great. Decapitate those wink links, let them dry like roaches in the kitchen sink. I speak my speech with endurance, hate when niggas turn around, try to ignore it. Before it, a year before the structure, tell me something, my body can't function, please tell me something. I hate when niggas use mad spit when they roll up. When it dry up, it be smelling like throw up. I hate $4 in my pocket, that's all I shop with. Every day, same shit, I'm broke topic. I hate when my baby screams, I feel like life is trying to intervene. I hate a TV without a clear screen. I hate when I got a Dutch and don't got no trees. You feel me?
You feel them?
Yo, I despise true lies, I hate
stolen rides with a passion, knocked up,
locked up, a jail fashion.
I hate when beef starts action,
Then I resort to gun blasting.
but sincerely,
I really hate the
I
aftermath.
despise true lies. I hate
Stolen rides with a passion.
knocked up,
Locked up, a jail fashion.
I hate when beef starts action,
Then I resort to gun blasting.
but sincerely,
I really hate the
I
aftermath.
don't like it when bad things happen to good people. Because that's the result of war between God and evil. I don't like it when history is taught incorrect. You know they trying to take away our self-respect. Plus poison our seeds with their savagery. I don't like a lot of shit, so I'm rounding up my cavalry. You lose tragically, I take your salary. Ain't seen a nigga bad as me since Malcolm or Stagger Lee. And I don't like them young cats that think the old school is played. Who fucking paid the dues so you fools get that paid? I don't like it when niggas don't recognize the legends. Build you teacher, a monotone street reverend. All hip slick, I catch fix lyrics are infinite. I don't like it when fake niggas think their shit's legitimate. I mow the lawn, reveal what's really going on. Snakes and rats have run around, still unstable, we perform.
I despise true lies, I hate
Stolen rides with a passion, knocked up,
locked up, a jail fashion.
I hate when beef starts action,
Then I resort to gun blasting.
but sincerely,
I really hate the
I
aftermath.
despise true lies. I hate
Stolen rides with a passion.
knocked up,
Locked up, a jail fashion.
I hate when beef starts action,
Then I resort to gun blasting.
but sincerely,
I really hate the aftermath. Pain, witness deadly souls in the flame, reaching out from the depths of hell, just calling my name, and I'm not to blame. Eternal fire, fuck compulsive liars. Look in my eyes and envy my desire for past priors. Got my level thinking higher, all the ways in the traps. Step back, you best to wait black. I gave the weight back, cause I wouldn't tolerate all the fakes, all the cakes, the rotten pork, and the steak. Yo, 365 days, I could explain all that loose change accumulated in the black rain and the street cobra. I'll pull you over, move you over, and you eat the concrete. It's blood stepping on your left shoulder. No respect for life, no value. Chuck you in a cutting barrels. That's how they ship it, but nowadays it's different. Nowadays, baby, word is born, nigga.
yo, I despise true lies. I hate stolen rides with a passion, knocked up, locked up, a jail fashion. I hate when beef starts action, then I resort to gun blasting. But sincerely, I really hate the
I
aftermath.
despise true lies. I hate stolen rides with a passion. Knocked up, locked up, a jail fashion. I hate when beef start action, then I resort to gun blasting. But sincerely, I really hate the aftermath. You know what I'm saying? It's a fucked up situation. The yak fools got us in, baby. For real, nigga. You know what I'm saying? 1 year left for anything, nigga. Word is born. I hate the situation they got me in, nigga. Word is born, nigga. Ghetto child forever, nigga.
Original bald head, Crooklynite, rude boy instructor. I came back to lay down law, motherfucker. I'll crush ya, cause you appear to be a sucker. One more false move, I'll grab my toast and I'll bust ya. And you, stop talking shit and pass the L. Got mad clientele, real niggas know me well. Other rappers go on tour and stay in their hotel. Me and my boys, where it's true as they come, son. We come from some ill life experience and take rap serious. I'm curious about the fakers and the frauds, about the silly ass broads and all the bullshit going on. So when I step into the club, I come hardcore. Rip the mic to stretch, puff skunk before encore. And after that, I just max. Like Max Julian, I'm the authentic Max, so just relax. I keep the cuts like a lance. We got no worries, we get the dough in advance. I got to get the dough, got to run the show. I got to get the dough, got to run the show. I got to get the dough, got to run the show. I got to get the dough, got to run the show. Watch me, I got the bitch chumps on the spot, G. And when I rock, these like honeys wanna jock me, so copy this one, son, you fucking biter. Shut the hell up, you're damn right I don't like ya. I'll spit on your style, shit on your crew with a smile. Fuck snow, you ain't wild, we been at your file. Your fantasy roughneck, go bluff with your tech, but you better show respect or blood will drip like sweat. Check yourself, cause now there's doo-doo in your pants. I enhance the dance and get the loot in advance. I got to get the dough, got to run the show. I got to get the dough, got to run the show. I got to get the dough, got to run the show. I got to get the dough, got to run In Advance is the name of this tune. You know what's up, hot Gangstar's in the room. Soon you'll feel the boom, a masterpiece from the east. Enough respect to where you're from, just don't act dumb. We drop the shit that's classic, you can't surpass it. We lasted, and now we run shit, you bastard. I'm like an ambush, moving on you quick. Got more depth than shallow rappers, cause my game is thick. 10,000 MCs in a week, I subtract, cause the market's oversaturated with scrub acts. Who wants to try next? And who wants to die next? I'm vexed with motherfuckers. Whose dome should I fly next? Up from the alley, now the riches I acquire. Cash coming by the wire, rhymes of chariots of fire. Call me the Don, call me the man, or call me sir. But never forget, this little nigga knows the score. For competition, yo, there's no fucking chance. My troop is bopping through, clocking Doe In Advance. Got to get the dough, got to run the show. Got to get the dough, got to run the show. Got to get the dough, got to run the show. Got to get the dough, got to run the show. Run the show, run the show. Run the show, run the show, run the show. Run the show, run the show, run the show. Run the show, run the show, run the show. Got to get the dough, got to run this, to run this, to run this, to run this, to
If the opportunity was to present itself, I might just have to go and reinvent myself. Hook up a chick in advance, don't stick whenever the chance. Sometimes I hit, most of the time I kick in my pants. It's on dogs, put your life on pause. Your head's wrapped up in bras and draws, fighting a lost cause. We break laws, give gauze when we break jaws. Finding flaws in stores and keep it even with the odds. With head nods, from Spanish redhead broads, and stay trump tight with the cards. Went from a meter to a yard, living my life scarred. Cause every minority grow up hard, blow up hard, ill and get your bandit broad. Soon as you start sleeping, catching you off guard. The very thing is the very thing. Either everything is working or you working for everything. Boston, don't play. Private direct, son. The crew is saying something. Will them dogs that smoke blunts with you throw a punch with you, or hold it down when you down and the months hit you? We all got tools. I hate telling good people bad news. Everybody living by their own rules. It make me so sick I get nauseous. When I'm in the streets, I always remain cautious. You can get rolled up like an ounce in some gauzes. Compare my accomplishments to my losses. Everybody wanna wonder what the winner does. On my worst day now, it was better than it was. Cause money kept is twice as good as money burned. And money won is twice as sweet as money earned. Will there ever come a time when the crying ends? Cause death is just the moment when the dying ends. The very thing is the very thing. Either everything is working or you working for everything. Boston, don't play. Private direct, son. The crew is saying something. You know the damn, know the damn. Boston, don't play. Private direct, son. The crew is saying something. You know the damn. Alcohol and weed is my vices. To see my daughter smile is priceless. I leave the nicest lifeless. Return like Christ in a crisis. Take this American pie and distribute out slices. Black enterprises who take it to the wire and shine so bright, niggas need a sun visor. MCs searching 7 seas and wind up fishing. There's little to no competition. When I appear like an aberration, your repetition kept you in the same tradition, same position, same old rapper, same old mission. The game won't listen. We got 2,000 new ways to shine and glisten. Energy is to rap, but Pedro's to pitch it. Nowadays, if you listen, you can wind up missing. But if you ain't under guard, you going under hard. And we gon' be the main event, and y'all are under card. The very thing is the very thing. Either everything is working, or you working for everything. Private direct, son. The crew is saying something. Boston, don't play. Private direct, son. The crew is saying something. You know the damn, know the damn. Boston, don't play. Private direct, son. The crew is saying something. You know the damn. Boston, don't play, don't play, don't play.
Sharon, many moons. Are there any tunes with flows that throw snows? So cool, make a fool wanna do. Can't take the truth, you got proof. See the on the roof, move slow. He already know who you are, so it don't really matter to me. The better you be, the better for your rehabilitation. Strap you down and slap you round. Call you Susan, using, abusing methods, unethic. You're so poetic, where does he get it? I inherit the gift for the gods. I don't live for cars, I break down stars by the gas. You can talk fast and flabbergast most, but I freak flows from coast to coast. Got styles, they study in sections. My interjections, stun them. They summon someone, but they don't know. They made a show and wrote a book, but they don't look. So who you follow when they only borrow from my sorrow? They don't know the cause or the cause. They just applause cause they hear the pause. I got laws against the offense of perpetration, interpretation, or termination. Sick of gimmicks, mimics, and mimes. Whack rhymes, and then black on black crimes. Inside a hand, how the man got ya. Then they watch ya, thinking they got the answer. But they can't cure cancer. The real question, inciting aggression in our seed. That's why somebody gotta bleed. Word to weed. I got 100,000 it's a fees. On the mic like I'm turning on a light. You wanna fight? Step in the ring. Whatever kind of weapon you bring, it's fine. I got my mind set. Internet, now I'm in your assets. Ain't got and still making ass bets. Get on my nerve like pets. That's why I support no beef. They bite the hand. Every day I gotta fight the man. Ticket, stick it in your discharge. I'm this large. You get disbarred. Trying to diss fraud. Now my premonition is getting graphic. I'm stuck in traffic. 4 plain clothes is aiming at my nose. Someone blows a horn and then they gone. At the red light, I see a headlight. High beaming. Am I dreaming? Now I don't even know. Flashbacks is causing me to flow.
Let me just take this time out to pull a rhyme out and update this for you and yours, simply because some MCs have luck but suck. So I pluck them like feathers on the back of a chicken, cause I'm mad like a bit when my man's so sick 'em. Positive is the mind state, but it can still mean that I will kick a ill, malicious like mean rap. Suckers they force me to knock them all out and they think they know things like what I'm about and they try to analyze, criticize, scandalize. Their outcome is death. Don't ask me to sympathize, realize that I'm not to be played with. I flip so fast, you won't know I'm the same kid. I'm tired and fed with all the weak stuff said. All that phony baloney dapping out like progress. You've got no legs, so you shoot blanks. It's me the crowd thanks as I step to the top ranks. Banking my money and investing it wisely. Snatching up chunks when they try to sneak by me. I'm the dominant one. Call me the prominent one. And as I'm speaking, I'll be bombing the dump. Deaf and blind, cause I was born with a shot mind. Eating and seeds with ease like it's lunchtime or crunch time. When they get done without warning, I'll bust that butt from nighttime till morning. Your song's boring, and so I'm scoring much points. Cause when it's time to throw joints, I cause havoc. The mic I grab is like savage. I invade the stage and make you get off. The force is like a 3-8, blowing your head off. And that's just in case you might be wearing a vest. Cause you're simply a pest in this mess. I suggest you take a rest. If this meaning doesn't manifest, put it to rest. Don't ever sleep, son, deep 1 or 2 of these lines here. Arranged by a great brain, delivering rhymes clear and concise with a nice dope voice and killing a face like a taste of some poison. Folks are thinking they're all of that. Their voices are all flat. They're finding innings in the whack rapper's almanac. Me follow that hollow crap? No way, Jose. I'll seek out a better sound to something from Airplays. Days by, and soon you'll know why. MCs like me will rise like the Enterprise starship, headed straight for the target destination, a place where no perpetration is permitted. The guru's fitted to explain how some MCs are scared to ride in the 4 train or any other train in the city, for that matter, playing a role that they stole like a batter. But I know they ain't, so I'll paint the real picture. My vocals go solo, and like a polo, I'll hit ya. Square in your face or crack the ribs in your chest, cause you thought your off-brand jam was the best. You best cause you guessed people would be impressed. I'm gonna bust that bubble on the double. Take the rest. Sit back and reflect, ponder and chill out. Rhymes like daggers make blood spill out. But you can't blame me for bringing disaster. With all these ducks claiming that they're the masters, only thing they mastered is how to get whacker. As I roll uphill, they roll downhill faster. Now they're wondering how they lost their touch. Wanna buy my rhymes, but mine cost too much. I'm the innovative one, call me the creative one, and I won't stop till the job is done. All the slobs just run when I come to get some, cause they know better than to challenge this go-getter. They get bust, you can trust, cause I won't let her booty-ass rapper get wins against me. I guarantee that I won't act friendly, cause crowds have a nerve and deserve to get whipped on. Their girls get kissed on, or they get flipped on. I slaughter and slay, or slap them up quick, cause the lyrics they kick make me seriously sick. No substance, no value, but nevertheless, they're getting daytime play, but I still say they should take a rest.
Jig is up, nigga. I'm coming to get you fake ass niggas. Word is born. It'll take more than what you got to foil my plot. I'll be rocking you and stocking you like killer robots. You too hot, but I refuse to cool down till they rest my black ass beneath the ground. I get down for my underground sound, pushing lyrical weight, nigga, by the pound, for real. I'm bringing sight to the visually impaired, cause what you see in rap ain't always too clear. Ice real stares from those who create fantasies. Couldn't bust the great, fighting you or fighting me. Hip-hop today is like a big magic show. One magician and a whole bunch of shining hoes. I'm trying to grow like my dick in the morning. It's a new day, matter of fact, a new dawning. Why you stretching and yawning from your sleep? Shug done turned this whole shit back to the streets. Walking the beat when I was starving to eat. Now I push the Ford truck to extort the weak. Thought you broke away clean, I caught you. Now it's up to me to completely end you. For real, you hear shots, I bring shots. You smoke a lot of pot and still spit weak talk. Pussy, and 9-9 you can step to. I'm your silly weak crew and your mud up boo, for real. No more faking jacks or faking deals. We know all about those manufactured skills. Even chickens are spitting harder. Who's your ghostwriter, Miss Sean Carter? Once again, it's the militia man, stepping to Brooklyn, coming straight out of Murder Pan. While I'm shitting on, you spitting up, letting you silly faggots know your jig is up. What?
To get funky, to something that Premier plays funky. We're gonna do it this way. I'm getting funky, to something that Premier plays. I'm the guru and we'll do it this way. Now give the credit where it is due. Give the credit, y'all, where it's due. Now give the credit where it is due. Give the credit, y'all, where it's due. I'm heated up because I'm seeing folks that I so phony. They didn't know me when I was broke and I was lonely. Only a few came to check me, so they come first. And yo, our people come next, G. We go to a club, the Milky Way of the pavement, the outlaw spots where the music was real hot. And you wasn't there when the underrated real MCs came to quit and used to kick slick lyrics, all live without no lip sync. Do a dope break, building skills from instinct. I'm tired of people getting all excited. I'm not tripping, I'm just a thing, but I'm delighted to let you to know that some others be flim-flamming. I'll let you know that all this time we've been jamming. So give up the props, hop, jealousy's a flaw. If the next man deserves it, earns it, it should be law. So let him pass right through, cause you got to give the credit, y'all, where it is due. You know you got to give the credit where it is due. Give the credit, y'all. Where it's due. Give the credit where it is due. Give the credit, y'all. Where it's due. Some of the dopest MCs don't really get enough light, cause the record companies don't really market them right. Most of the people signing acts, they ain't from the street. Cause yo, they come from the sweet, soft section of town. While they be sweating and pretending that they know a real rap sound. But I know some guys and some ladies that can fill those spots made to promote the real greats and educate and get it straight. Immobilizing the imitators, exposing the explosive core. I hope to explore galaxies of remedies for your whack rap sickness, as I convey relay back rap quickness. In this business, I witness trickiness. Some MCs are in a sticky mess, but I'm saying this from experience. I'm serious, I didn't get this far overnight, and there's nothing like the real thing, the real swing, right? I'm kicking things that are true, so won't you give the credit, y'all, where it is due. I'm fed, cause people like to talk too much, they're misled, and yo, they like to squawk too much. But let me tell you, baby, you can't front on this 24-track mix with the deep-ass kick. The objective is to surely demolish the chances of the whack taking all the dollars. Support the brothers who are truly gifted. This way, the odds can never be shifted. Like my man, you know he works real hard. He's good at what he does, and now he lives real large. So I envy him or anyone in his crew. Just sit back and give the credit, y'all, where it is due. Give the credit where it's due. Give the credit, y'all. Where it is due. Give the credit where it's due. Just give the credit, y'all. Where it is due.